coffee lovers! Today we're diving into the world of at-home barista experiences with the Keurig K-Cafe. This sleek machine promises to elevate your daily coffee routine. Let's unbox it, explore its features, and see if it truly delivers on its promise. The Keurig K-Cafe is more than just a coffee maker. It's a versatile brewing system that lets you craft a variety of coffee beverages, from classic cups of joe to frothy lattes and cappuccinos. We'll be covering everything from its unboxing to brewing, performance, and cleaning tips. Let's see what's inside the box. We've got the main unit, a quick start guide, a Frother, main machine, with a water reservoir. Pretty straightforward, right? The K-Cafe boasts a sleek, modern design that's sure to complement any kitchen. It feels sturdy and well-built, with a focus on user-friendly controls. The K-Cafe offers a range of brewing options: regular coffee, brew a single-serve cup of coffee in various sizes, coffee shots, perfect for lattes and cappuccinos. Lattes and cappuccinos use the built-in frother to create creamy, frothy milk. Frother. The Frother is a game-changer. It's easy to use and produces a rich, velvety foam that elevates your coffee experience. Experiment with different milk types and frothing times to find your perfect froth. Water reservoir. The removable water reservoir is easy to fill and clean. It's also large enough to handle multiple brews without refilling. The convenient K-Cup pod holder keeps your pods organized and easily accessible. What is brewing demonstration? Regular coffee. Let's start with a simple cup of coffee. Insert a K-Cup pod, select your desired brew size, and press start. It's that easy. Latte. Now, let's try a latte. Brew a coffee shot. Add your favorite milk to the frother and froth it up. Pour the shot into your mug. Top it with the frothed milk and enjoy. Cappuccino. For a cappuccino, follow the same steps as the latte, but froth the milk to a drier consistency. Sprinkle some cocoa powder or cinnamon on top for a finishing touch. Cleaning the K-Cafe is a breeze. The removable parts are dishwasher safe, and the rest can be wiped clean with a damp cloth. To ensure optimal performance, it's important to descale your K-Cafe regularly. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for a thorough cleaning. The Keurig K-Cafe is a fantastic coffee maker for those who want a variety of coffee beverages at home. It's easy to use, produces great tasting coffee, and the built-in frother is a real bonus. However, the price point might be a bit high for some. If you're a coffee enthusiast who's willing to invest in a high-quality coffee maker, the Keurig K-Cafe is definitely worth considering. It's a reliable and versatile machine that can elevate your daily coffee routine.